layout. This one is a fun one. I really like how this one worked out. This is going to be one of my videos where I show you how to use both the negative and positive of one cut file. Like I've said, if you're new to my channel, in 2024, I want to start showing you not only new ideas and different techniques, or bring techniques to life that maybe we haven't used in a very long time, but I'm also wanting to show you how you can get the biggest bang for buck. Now, I've got a Cricut, and this is a cut file that it's a quote that I saw. The quote is by Stephanie Bennett Henry, so credit where credit's due. And I typed out the font. I just used a basic Cricut font. I didn't go all out with it. And I cut it, and I'm using, on this layout, I'm using the negative side of it. So, and I'm literally, I had to use these fluoros again. I have a black and white photo. So of course, whenever you have a black and white photo, you can go to town with different products that you maybe have in your collection that you don't use very often. You can utilize them if you print your photo in black and white, because sometimes the color in the photos is just not quite, it's not hitting the mark. It's no longer, it might be clothes that you've put on your child, and your child might be 25 now. And we all know that, yes, fashion has a cycle and it comes back, but usually when it comes to scrapbooking, you know, we like to have things matchy-matchy. Well, I do anyway. So it's easier for me if I want to use a particular photo if I print it in black and white. Now, these are the MARTE FLURO acrylic paints, and fluorescent by definition is translucent. So when you use a fluoro paint, it is going to be quite thin in nature. It's not actually like a heavy bodied acrylic. It's quite translucent. So for me, I'm trying to keep my desk clean, guys. I'm really trying. I don't want to destroy it. I want to at least get a month out of this mat. So, okay, so I'm just going along. I'm using a small filbert MONT brush, and I love these little brushes because I wanted smaller dots, is why I'm going to town with this smaller brush. Yes, it could have been done a lot quicker with a larger one, but it wouldn't have given me the same effect. So I'm just using 4 different colors out of the collection, out of the paint palette. I'm using obviously the yellow, the pink, the rose, and the magenta. So that works beautifully. If you're wondering about the acrylic piece of plastic that I'm using, that is actually a Dina Wakley 6 by, I think it's 4 by 6, 5 by, no, maybe it's 5 by 7 acrylic stamp. It's meant to be a stamp block, but I don't like it as a stamp block, but I love using it like this. Now I'm going around, so the paint's dried. I'm going around just with a black ARTLINE pen, nothing fancy. You can pick these things up when you go grocery shopping. They're that easy to get your hands on. And I'm just tracing where I can see white. So and all I'm doing this for is just to get a bit of extra definition in between my splotches. And there's no rhyme nor reason. This is meant to be a super easy, super simple. That's why it's a power scrap, because it's simple. There's no hard work involved with this whatsoever. So I'm just going around and I'm just creating this little pattern, and it's super simple, but wow, it has impact. It is great. I absolutely love how it turned out. So, and if you stick around for tomorrow's video, I show you how to use the positives of this this layout. So this one is power scrap number 93. Tomorrow is power scrap number 94. So if you're new to my channel, I have started about 12 months ago. I started numbering my videos. A power scrap. So you'll see power scraps are down in the 90s. Well, this is not number 93. You can find them in the Power Scrap playlist. Now, the other thing that I do now, and I've been doing it for quite some time, is I number my videos. So if you look on the thumbnail I try and keep pretty much very, very simple. Always the same colors, but the same. And if you look up in the top left-hand corner, there's a number. Some of my older videos don't have the numbers on them, and I apologize for that. I never in my wildest dreams thought that I would have 500 videos, let alone where am I up to now? 646. So, like, I never thought that I would have that many videos. I really didn't. So, it's great. It's fantastic. Now, I do want to mention that once we hit 2,000 subscribers, so if you're one of those, I've got about 25% of people watching my videos that have not subscribed to the channel. Subscribing is free, 100% free. I don't spam you, I don't send you emails, I don't do anything like that. The subscribing, and if you hit the little notification bell, you will be notified when I post a video. I post six videos a week, and giving you lots of different inspiration. Sometimes it's bright and bold like this. Sometimes it's full of florals. Sometimes it's die cutting. Sometimes, I just do all sorts of different things. So if you're looking for inspiration, and this is the place you're going to get it. All my ideas come out of my own head. I get inspired by the strangest things sometimes. But this particular one, believe it or not, what inspired this layout? I saw the sprinkles in the cupboard. I know. How do I get my brain to see sprinkles and then go to the craft room and go, that's the Power Scrap, that's what I'm going to do. I want it to look like sprinkles. That's what I'm doing. And so that was my inspiration for this page, sprinkles. So, and of course, sprinkles you can take any which direction you want. Now, I am putting this down with tape, mainly because I don't know why I did that, but I guess because it's easier than having to go around with liquid glue behind the whole lot. So, how cool does that look? I absolutely love how this looks in the end. Don't forget, if you're using your negative part, like I am, you need to keep your little bits from inside your letters. So this way you're getting two cut files. You're getting two cut files for the price of one. Who doesn't love a bargain like that? I mean, gee whiz. Now, this is where I decide, okay, I'm actually going to go to town, and I'm going to put these same colours going around the outside edge of my cardstock. And that's when I realised I didn't trim the cardstock down. And I think you get a better look with the brush, personally. But this was quick and easy as well. I wanted to show you, you don't need a brush. You can use your finger if you want to. You know, there's no real science to this. It's just having fun. I want you to have fun with your scrapbooking. Don't let anybody tell you that that's not how you do it. No. That's not how you do it. It might be how I do it. And that's what I want you guys to think about when you're scrapping. There is no right, there is no wrong. I don't like seeing people say this is the rule. This is how you have to use this product. That's how that product is being marketed. But as long as you're using it in a safe manner, play with it. Who says you can't use it for something else? And, you know, that's what I did with this. It's just fun. It's just fun. I love having fun and being creative, and I absolutely love it. Now, I have purposely run that off the edge of the page. I quite like it when that happens. So this is my layout. Like, I'm not even kidding. I don't think what did I do? I did go around and do a thin white line around the letters just to help define them a little bit more. It looked good, but this helps it pop. So I'm using the Uniball Signo Broad white, Uniball Signo Broad white pigment pen. That's what I'm using. The reason it looks so bright white is because it's a pigment pen and it sits on top of the ink, on top of the paper. Now, you notice I was having an issue with the pen rolling there. That's because I've got oil off my finger and it's got onto the edge of the paper. I've noticed whenever I handled a lot of paper and stuff, that happens sometimes, but it's no big deal. Go back and it's fine. So this is my close-up of my layout. Let me know below what you think. If you don't have to write me a comment, you could just leave me an emoji if you're watching this on your phone. They help my channel out big time. And I would love, and I love, 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 at the end of every day, sitting down and going through all your messages. It really does make my day. It is fantastic. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my other socials in the description as well. And I'll chat to you tomorrow. Bye, guys.